Have you ever?
Hello YouTube, Psychedelic Narwhal here. This is a 2018 Bluebird Vision. And you can see there's one over there. And one behind us. And over there's the Safety Liner C2. The one that I filmed before. Thanks for the feedback on that one, by the way. As always, I hope you enjoy this one.
I'll give you that one.
No, come on, ride the bus.
Did you guys have to?
For you guys wondering, yes, the bus is actually running.
What the fuck is that?
You're doing the most back there.
Things are incredibly quiet, I'll give it that.
He's trying to.
It's going.
Quiet engines.
Put that back there. Okay, Kyle. You and your mom.
People excuse the language. I try not to get that on camera. Are you playing Among Us? You playing Among Us over there?
No.
No?
I'm gonna put it back up when we get this.
Okay,
Okay, and?
You gotta put
that's
it up.
fine.
No. Kyle. That one escort that I had with Diggy, you would have been lost on that one. That's one.
That is the bus that you're hearing.
You know what I thought?
It's,
You know what I forgot?
you can hear the mufflers are really, like the tailpipes are actually really loud for some reason.
On my test.
Same building as usual. I hope you enjoy this video.
Probably all over my
My mother died.
Okay? Good
My
for
mother
her.
died.
Good for her.
My mother adored me. He said my brother that was
Good for you.
He's been there for 5 years.
Get some rolling shots of the C2. Yeah, the other bus is way behind us.
I would shoot myself. I would not do that. I would kill myself, yes. I need to have Kyle, I swear to God, if I want to. I mean, look, your eyeballs out. But I'm more for us. We'll have our friends. But like, if I don't have my other siblings,
We have a mutual agreement that she gets me cookies, and I'll be nice to her. Me and my sister have a mutual agreement that if she gets me cookies, I'll be nice
And
to
then
her.
when you got like this, it's just,
You make some pretty good cookies.
hey, now what about that?
yeah.
Getting on the highway now. See, they're building the sheets over there. We need a Burger King over there is what we need. And I'll show you how close the next sheets is. Over there. They look like 2017 maybes, 2017 ICCEs. Here they go right now. Gotta love the ICs. I don't know any buster people who don't like the ICs. And if you do like ICCs, what engine do you prefer? Do you prefer the Max Force 7s or the Cummins ISPs? Let me know down in the comments, 'cause I would like to know. Me personally, I'm pretty good with the Cummins, but the Max Forces are pretty good for certain buses. Like the Freightliner FS65s. Those are pretty good with the Max Force 7s. But our lineup doesn't have any ICs or Freightliner FS65s. We only have like 2 or 3 C2s and mostly Bluebirds just like before, but we got an entire lineup replaced this year. With new Bluebirds, we originally had, we usually have mostly Bluebirds. We had 2016 models last year, now we have 2018 models. And before we had 3 ICs, now they're C2s. Sorry for the stuffy nose people, I tend to have that a lot.
What are you doing here? Putting your fucking thing together. I didn't even sit.
Kyle, you should throw me one. What? Cookie.
You have music taste.
Ford Explorer.
What are you talking about? I will come over there.
You'll see there's another Sheetz literally right here, so
I don't.
they need to put a Burger King where they're putting Sheetz. Because this city don't have no Burger Kings. They could use a Chick-fil-A too.
I almost forgot to do
I'll do it.
What is this?
Yeah, there's a lot of things that we get made around. But our school made a good accomplishment. They finally got the name of the school printed on the side of the buses. Because ever since I can remember, it was just the bus company's name on the sides. But now this year, finally, they've got the school's name, the district's name actually, printed on the side of the buses. All of them, too. Even on the little microbirds. For those of you who don't know, the microbirds are actually, they're made by Bluebird, but the models of the actual cars are like, you know, Chevy, Ford, Dodge, and all that. They're like the little miniature buses. I think all of our little buses are actually made by Thomas now. I mean, before they were made by Bluebird, but now they're made by Thomas. That was the sound of the windows.
Right, I am a truck supporter. I'm halfway through.
That'll demonstrate that. If you don't push the pins in, you can still slide it up, but it'll make that sound. Ooh, tight spin.
Nope, but I know who I'm voting for.
use the language people. I try to not get that on camera, but
Well, guess what? I still do.
I can't exactly get it, so I can't just edit those parts out.
Like it's the language.
Alright, Justin, get up now. It's time to go.
I hate this fucking bus. I've never ride this shit again. How do you get on your own?
Don't keep grinding.
What are you taking? See ya. Here goes the older buses. Alright, gotta go now.